Okay, I have the brackets made and I have the pipes installed. It was a little tough expanding and cleaning and sanding and wire brushing the overlapping interference fit, but there's the Harley muffler. That's what the profile is from the back, and there's this stock Yamaha muffler I haven't changed yet. So the Harley muffler is a little bit longer, and I had to make a bracket to go from here to here, and I've got it made. I'll show you what it roughly looks like. I made two of them. There they are. They're drying. They're pieces of metal I salvaged from a Lazy Boy rocking chair. That's the mechanism to make the footrest come up and down. I knew that would come in handy someday. But anyway, it's getting there. And I'll show you the finished product when I get finished.